Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 12, Session 46, CER, Claim, Evidence, and Reasoning in Chemistry. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to write chemistry explanations using claim, evidence, and reasoning. Listen for these key terms: claim, evidence, reasoning, data, particle model. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Chemistry explanations should not be only answers. A claim states what you think. Evidence gives data or observations. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. In chemistry reasoning, connect data to a model. Conservation of atoms, particle attractions, charge balance, energy change, or mole ratio. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Writing a CER. Claim: the unknown solution contains chloride ions. Evidence: when silver nitrate was added, a white precipitate formed. Reasoning: silver ions react with chloride ions to form insoluble silver chloride, silver chloride S. The precipitate is consistent with the net ionic equation. Ag plus Cl minus gives silver chloride. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. A weak CER says, it is chloride because it turned white. The improved version names the evidence and explains the chemical principle connecting the evidence to the claim. Now answer this self-check. What part of CER explains why the evidence supports the claim? A strong answer should include reasoning. Hint: reasoning connects evidence to scientific principles. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Write a CER explaining why salt water conducts electricity. Task 2. Write a CER explaining why CO2 is nonpolar. Task 3. Write a CER explaining the limiting reactant in a simple reaction. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.